Hello, welcome everyone. This video I'm going to show you here about to set background in Figma. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to understand, about to be satisfied with that through this moment as soon as possible. Through everything that is still to be really satisfied with the progress through that. So really what you're gonna do is about to be important to deal with that. So set background to be doing on that. So first of all, I would like to add here a file and then start to click here on file. Now I'm gonna start to add certain thing, place image. Okay, once you click on place image, you will find a certain thing. You can add a certain image through your videos. Okay, so you can actually see that you can actually add an image through your I don't know whether it can be really working or not if I have just added a blue screen or something. Okay, maybe this one for example. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about to add this as background. So you can actually go to add a rectangle above it. And as you can see, after I just added, I will start to suggest it. This is really actually the background of that one. And that's all about to help you through